my name is Kanika and welcome to my home. I invite you to join me here in my studio and in my kitchen as we explore fun and creative ways of extracting pigments and colors from the foods that we eat every day. No special or fancy materials are required. All that is needed is an open mind and a willingness to try something new. This is Food to Palate. Thanks for joining me. So today we're going to start with the primary color, the most basic color, yellow. And to make yellow, we will be using turmeric. So turmeric, as you will see here, it's kind of like an orangish, powderish color. It's extracted as a spice. I have to warn you, this does stain, so be very, very careful. The process of making this is quite simple. All we need to do is mix the turmeric powder with warm boiling hot water, stir it real well and let it sit. And just like that, you have a beautiful bright yellow color. When I think of yellow, the first thing I think of is lemon. Lemons are actually really fun and easy to do. The best way to do these is to actually not think too hard at all. You start with making a round shape. Doesn't have to be perfect. The beauty with this type of pigment, which works the way watercolors do, is you add a bit of water into it and then it just makes it super easy to glide out. All right, I'm quite pleased with this. And there you have it. A beautiful juicy lemon.